So my dear friends, if you want to add a new admin to your existing Telegram channel, then follow the steps that I'm showing here in this video. First, open your Telegram app. This is the channel that I've already created. So to add a new admin to your channel, first you gotta open it. Now after opening your Telegram channel, click on your profile photo here. Now scroll down a little bit. And now see your administrators. So click here. Now at the top of the page, click on add admin. Now look at the top right corner, here is a search bar. Now search the contact number that have been saved on your contact list. So this is the contact number that I want to add as an admin. So click on the contact number, and now you gotta do some settings here. By allowing these options, you are giving some permissions to this new admin. And at the last option, you gotta turn on this option, add new admins. And after adding this new admin, just click on this tick mark again, and now go back. So this is how you can add a new admin to your existing Telegram channel. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful and informative tutorial. Till then, thank you, bye bye.